Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl Funsize, and of course I'm back with another fun creation. So today's project, I'm going to be showing you guys how to save a few bucks on upcycling your old picture frames. And of course, how rude of me, let me introduce you guys to Duty, who was also featured on our video for today. Boo boo, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Say hello. That's not diamond.
Okay.
Okay, now that that's over with, we're going to actually hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done that already. And we're going to grab some supplies and go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, now once you collect these little items, the first thing you want to do is take your frame apart. And then you're going to grab your wool and get the sand in. That's your brother.
Yep.
Hi, Jimbo. You trying to see? Get that climbing up here. Okay, enough of those guys. So be sure to have a clean surface when you do this project after you're done sanding off your frame. And I actually use these little old planks that I had left over that I cut off with my miter saw. Don't worry about that. You can use anything. But here it is, once it all laid out. And the next thing we're going to do is grab our paint and other roller paintbrush and get to painting. You guys also know I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to do the edge with this little skinny brush right here. And then I'm going to grab the roller brush and I'm going to, paint the rest of it with that. And this is the part where your plate comes in handy. I am using chalk paint. I prefer the chalk paint because it actually dries faster. And you guys should all know by now, I am very impatient. However, I use the chalk paint and this is how it all is going to come back out. I'm going to let you guys finish watching the video and I'm not going to talk your head off too much. For the record, paint like this, long strokes, not like this. See, long strokes. Depending on what kind of paint you're actually using, I recommend waiting before doing a second coat. However, this is how everything turned out for me and my upcycled frame. And this is actually 2 coats of chalk paint that I actually put on it. So once that's all completed, I'm going to wait the appropriate dry time, even though it is chalk paint and dries quick. And then once that's done, I'm going to move on to adding on my finisher. I decided to use what I had on hand, although I do recommend that you guys use wax paint if you are using chalk paint. And boom, there we have it guys. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and the bell right next to it so you don't miss out on any of my videos and future projects. This is how my frame actually came out, and I love the finish on it. I'm actually going to hang this up on my wall after I put in the picture that actually wants to go into the frame. And if you guys actually want a step-by-step, check out my website where you can get the blog for this frame upcycle project that I just completed and showed you guys. Here's the pictures that originally came with it, but here's how I actually hung up everything, and here's the original picture that I wanted to go into the frame. Later for now guys, and remember, learn to love yourself before trying to learn to love anyone else.